Well, like I open up every other video, I like to say it's been a while. It is about 38 degrees outside and it's completely pouring rain out. I haven't gone fishing for myself in a while, and I'll probably go out tomorrow if I don't catch anything, but it is going to be really, really shitty in this rain. So I am at a crossroads right now to figure out which lake I'm going to go to, so I'm going to focus on that, and then I'll see you guys on the lake. Alright, bye.
A few moments later.
Holy shit, abort mission. Oh man, look at my hands. They literally look like they're about to fall off. That was miserable. I'll probably just end up letting this be the intro to my next video that I've been working on that kind of highlights some of my catches over the last year. It's Saturday, so if I start in like an hour from now, I might be able to get like halfway done with the video. The hardest thing is, like, I've gone fishing a good amount and I caught a good amount of fishes, but they're all in tons of different files. Like I have like 8 terabytes now thanks to Jacob. I was dreading it, and now I'm more amped to do it now than be out in the rain like I was. Like, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Alright, bye. So do this. Get it to like right here where you can grab it. A little bit more in. A little bit more. All right, there you go. Now pop your pole's actually kind of long. Pop your thing and yeah, hold it in place like that, and you're gonna flick it like that. Oh, she snumped it.
You better get out. You better give her a good fucking tug.
I'm stuck in there.
No, you got that bitch. Dude, she can hit that so fucking good.
Yep. Got the net? Oh god. You got it? She's going under the boat. Let's fucking go, brother.
Dude, you tossed that up perfect, and she came up and hit that so fast.
The timing was good too, because that was...
Alright, here.
How's that look?
There we go. Here, take a look, see what you think.
She smacked me out of there. I just landed right on the bed. Did I get... Watch. Yep. Yep. Let's wait.
Yeah, I got you.
Come on, buddy.
Huh?
Dude.
Oh, dude, they're like, fuck our homie. I'm really, this is a chocolate.
Let's fucking go, brother.
All right, well, I'm tossing in again. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Or do you need help?
I don't need help. Let me just get this out. You're good, brother.
All right. Well, here, let's,
Good pick.
yeah, we gotta get another. That's a good one. You want to weigh it, or you? You're like, nah. Man, that's a chunker. Okay.
I mean,
I'm glad we came over here and stopped.
I know. I knew I was standing up there is a good thing to do. Where is she? There she is. Watch this, dude. Ready, steady, go. Got her.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Are you fucking with the net?
Yeah. Bring her back this way.
Which way you?
I'm just letting her tire. I'm going your way.
Alright.
Go on the other side. Okay, there you go.
That's a fatty.
Let's fucking go. Oh, that's a bigger dude.
Is that
Here,
the,
keep
is that
it.
the female?
It's one of them.
Or is it the
Here,
other one?
keep that up.
Yeah.
Damn it, that's a...
Need the pliers?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll take your pole.
I think this is the biggest bass I've ever caught.
Yeah, that's definitely one you want to.
Fucking pig, brother. That's a fucking monster.
Dude, that's gotta be a 3-pounder.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna say 310 because I'm barely holding. I don't want to hurt her.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, dude. It's fatty.
Get back on, girl. Woo!
Put her back by her bed. See if you're gonna go over and pull up next to it. I wonder if that.
3.10. That was beautiful. This fucking guy that's number 9. Jesus, I don't even care how big they are at this point. I just want one, boy. I'm gonna listen to your advice right now. Ready? Oh, hold on. Never been the one for changing or ever hang. I know. Just to say you got it, it's fucking huge. Got so used to always running, never become. This seems like a good spot. Oh, yep, there it is. I literally was like, this seems like a good spot to get a bass. You're gonna get one. 13? Yep. Dude, I'm fucking gonna rethink my hobby. I'm over all my lying and the leaving. I was selfish, unprepared. I can't blame you if you're scared, but believe me, you're the girl that I've been needing. Chance is yours to take, my heart is yours to break. There we go. So put me in my place. What do you do, dude? As soon as I fucking catch the fish, I get stung by a bee. Oh, right in my fucking ear. Oh. That sucked. That was a lot of work. See? There we go. I'm over all my lying and the leaving. I was selfish, unprepared. Not whoever I'm talking to, the fish, not you. But believe me, you're the girl that I've been needing. That was a big bite. My heart is yours to break. So put me in my place. I hope it's next to you. Oof. He had a hook. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but the drag got pulled. Ain't the way I'm feeling now. I'm not lying when I promise I'm not leaving. Finally. I was selfish. Finally. I can't blame you, I'm just scared. But believe me, you're the girl that I've been needing. Chance is yours to take. My heart is yours to break. So put me in my place. Yeah, what up?
Where you at?
I'm running late.
Alright.
Yeah, if you gotta go, I'll have, it's just cake, dude.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna dippy then, because it's pretty late and I live a minute away.
Alright, my bad, dude. We're out in the middle of nowhere. What?
How much would you sell me one of these little bongers for? One of these little poopy ones?
Oh, just take one. I don't know.
Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Thanks, bro.
No problem.
I'm just gonna throw it on my desk now. So I got rid of my big monitor.
Oh shit! I gotta go.
Alright, good luck,
Fuck you.
Dickhead. Hey, brother. Relax.
Alrighty, brother. Well, be safe.
Hold on, I got a fish.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. How's that?
Oh yeah, he's gonna be fine.
Yeah, he's gone. Thank God. Oh yeah, that's a fucking cast and a half, brother. I gotta get hyped. I gotta get amped. Okay? I'm getting fucking amped now, bro. There's the sun. Oh shit, buddy. He got up? That's a salmon. Alright. Come on over. Get her. Gotta get him with the cranky.
Grab my hand and we can work on letting go your fear. Grab my hand and I could take you anywhere but here. Let's run away from all our pain and wipe away those tears and dry them up until you finally start to see so clear. I know, we're just running around, yeah. Let's go, far away from this town, yeah. I won't ever let you down, yeah. So please don't
Let's fucking go, dude.
me down, yeah.
Fucking finally. Thank you. Thank you for everything. I'm super happy. Buddy, thank you. Thank you for everything. I'm super happy about this. Be free. Oh, finally.